Hello everyone. Hello again. So I am Deepak. Now welcome to UDAAN Deepak YouTube channel, and I will be discussing the triangles yes, the 5-year questions, yes, and this is part 2 of my discussion. In the lecture 1 I have discussed all the 1-mark questions and all the objectives which have come in previous 5-year question papers according to the latest present year SSLC board examination 2025 syllabus. Now I will be discussing 2 and 3 mark questions, and this is the last part of my discussion wherein I will be discussing all the questions. Okay, so it will be helpful for your practice test or for preparatory examinations or for board examinations. You will get a clarity related to what sort of questions the board is expecting so that you can answer them effectively. And if you just know all the questions from exercise and textbook, you will understand the concept. Then you will also know the clarity related to what? Clarity related to the set of questions which will be appearing in upcoming examinations. Similar type of questions will come, and the questions which I have picked is from the latest present year syllabus itself. Okay, that is the point I need to highlight here. And Sumaya is asking, how are you sir? I am well. Then Vamshika, hi sir. Kundan, point. Okay, gaming point. So Niranjan, sir, I want to be work as something they are messaging. See, I'll just tell. And Chiku is messaging, sir, please in Kannada. Definitely Kannadalli ನಾನು ಏನೈತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. But I hope Hindi, Kannada and English together I will be mentioning here. Okay, so not wasting much time, so I will be discussing what 10th maths previous year questions, last 5-year questions. Okay, I will be discussing, and this is part 2 of my discussion. So let us begin with this. So you know that triangles have started and multiple choice questions related to this. You can just find the previous video I have just made, in which you can find all the answers and the questions, and the PDF link will be provided as soon as I finish this session. The PDF link will be provided subsequently in the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group. You can get the access to it. Okay, now just coming to the 2 or 3 mark questions. So up to this question I have solved, the previous question I have solved. Now from here I need to begin my discussion, and if you know the answer, kindly put it in the comment box below. Okay, and if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives, and it will be helpful for your learning in upcoming board examination itself. Okay, so let us begin with discussion on this. See, 2 or 3 mark questions in the triangle ABC. So the triangle given is what? ABC, and DE is parallel to BC. If AD is 5 centimeter, BD is 7 centimeter, and AC is total AC is 18, find the length of AE. So I will just wait for what? 10 seconds. Sorry, I will wait for 10 seconds. Can somebody just let me know the answer in the comment section below so that I can just begin with the solution? Okay, I will just wait for 10 seconds more. Just look into the question, very important. This question has come in April 2019. Okay, so you was very super duper senior have solved it already. Okay, Niranjan has messaged, sir, please select me as a social teacher in your team. Oh, great, Niranjan, social teacher, definitely. You can just connect to me. Mr. XYZ, I can tell. Okay, so you can tell the answer for this. I am waiting for the right answer. I will just wait for 5 more seconds. Okay, so yes. So yes, let us not waste much time. I will come up with what? So Kundan gaming point has messaged it has 8 centimeter. Okay, so Kundan has messaged it as 8. Okay, let us see any other person who is in line with me and just following up the questions and answers. So I'll just begin with the discussion on this. Okay, so Suma has messaged 9. Great, Suma, you have messaged 9. See, others, if you are just following, kindly put thumbs up so that I can get to know that you are online with me and you are in line with me. Okay, both I can connect together. Okay, so just begin with what? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, already is given. So see here, what is the total length of this? 7 plus 5 is how much? It is 12 centimeter. Okay, it is 7 plus 5 you got, it is 12 centimeter. Whenever bigger length is given, it is better to use what? Corollary. So better to use what? Corollary. Okay, corollary. So what you can do is bigger length by smaller length, or you can write smaller length by bigger length, both are same. So Kallappa Kolkar has messaged 7.5, Venkatesh messaged beta and beta, Kareem hi hello, Sudha has messaged 8. See here Kallappa has done excellent work, the right answer he has messaged. Okay, I will just come up with the answer. See, bigger length by smaller length you take. Okay, AB by AD. AB by AD is equal to bigger length AC by AE. Now bigger length, that means AB is how much? 12. AD smaller length 5. Bigger length AC is 18. I need to find AE. Okay. Now what you do, you send this AE here, 5 will go here. AE into 12 is equal to 5 into 18. 12 will come down. AE equal to 5 into 18 by 12. So which table it will go? 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So it is 5 3s are 15. Half of 15 is how much? 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. So answer is yes, 7.5 centimeter. I hope you got this. Okay. See, it is for 2 marks and you should not lose this 2 marks. Okay. So, Tamia Kausar, yes. So, Venkatesh, sir, will you come live every day? Definitely, I am planning to come live every day. So that I can come up with more such topics so that I can solve in the class. Okay. Mr. XYZ, hi everyone. Hello. Okay. Thank you for this. Then see, if you are following me and if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel, and to the video also you can like. Okay. So I hope you got the clarity related to this. Okay. Coming to the next set of questions. See this question, you should prove, very simple question, directly you should able to solve this one. So how can you solve this directly? Okay. So see, it is corollary BPT. Tamia is answering yes. Mr. XYZ, how are you, sir? I am excellent. How are you, Mr. XYZ? Okay. So name is very good. In the given figure, if PQ is parallel to RS, they said that PQ and RSS are what? Sorry, parallel. You should prove that this triangle POQ and this triangle SOR are what? They are. You should prove that they are what? Similar. Okay. So next coming to how to prove, very simple question. Whenever they ask you to prove this, you take in a triangle POQ, in triangle POQ and triangle ROS and triangle ROS, that is ROS. See this angle O equal to angle O. Can you tell me why? Yes, why angle O and angle O are equal? Because if two lines are intersecting, then vertically opposite angles are what? Equal. That means vertically opposite angles. And you know, if two lines are parallel, then this angle and this angles are equal. Why? Because alternate interior angles. Those are what? Alternate interior angles. Okay. So that means angle P, Z you can find there, angle S, both are parallel. So angle P and angle S are what? They are alternate angles. You can write them as what? Alternate angles are equal. Okay. Then similarly, angle Q and angle R are what? Equal. You can write only two conditions sufficient, but here all the three conditions I can find. So you can write what? Alternate angles. Therefore triangle POQ is similar to triangle ROS. Why? Angle, angle, angle criteria. If okay, that is the final answer for this. So this question has come in April 2019. So you can just use any two angle criteria or AAA criteria also you can write, both are accepted. Okay. So Venkatesh has written common, very good. Instead of writing common, you can use the word what? the vertically opposite angle. Okay. See, if you are finding it helpful, kindly give the thumbs up in the comment section below so that I can get to know you are in line with me. Okay. So, coming to discussion of next set of question. See, I will wait for 10 seconds that you may get this answer here. A vertical pole of height 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower on the same ground cast a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of tower. This question has come in June 2019. With that, or question has come, the following or question has appeared in your examination. So, let us know the answer for this one. Yes, I am waiting for your answer. So, I will just begin with the answer. If you are getting the answer, kindly put it in the comment box below, okay, so that I can be making sure that you are in line with me. Okay. So, a vertical pole of height 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long. So, I will solve here. See, what they are telling is there is a vertical pole of height 6 meter. There is a vertical pole whose height is what? This is the pole whose height is 6 meter. Its shadow, other shadow it is 4 meter. Okay, on the ground. And you know that if sun is here, then only you can find the shadow here. So, this is with the shadow. Then at the same time there is one more tower here, that is the one more. At the same time there is a tower here which is very high, that is 28 meter long. Sorry, the shadow is 28 meter long. What they are telling is there is one more, that the shadow is what? 28 meter long. You should find the height of tower. I will take height of tower as what? ABC. This one I will take P, Q, R. So, here you should find, this is what the answer says. See, I repeat, a vertical pole of height 6 meter. See, there is a pole of height 6 meter, its shadow is 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time there is a tower of shadow, it cast a shadow of 28 meter long. Then you should find the height of the tower x. Like this you should able to write it. So, 28 meter, Inspired Library has written, very good, you got the right, 3 mark you can get here. Okay. So, coming to what the next set of question, sorry, this itself I will be solving. First you should prove that the two triangles are similar. Without proving, you may lose 1 mark. Okay. Make sure that you should able to or capable to prove that. So, what shall you do here? Angle B, take these two triangles, in triangle ABC and triangle PQ R, angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Can you tell me why? Because both are perpendicular, they are vertical pole. Then similarly, angle A and angle P are equal, angle A equal to angle P. Why? See, angle of sun at the same time, they use the word here what? At the same time. That means what? Angle, the angle made by the sun at the same time is equal only. That means angle A and angle P are equal. Therefore, what can you write here? You can write angle of sun made at same time. Okay, at the same time, what is the angle of sun? Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Why? Angle criteria. So, I hope you got this. If they are similar, then left side fraction. So, corresponding sides are in proportion. That theorem you should use here. So, what is that theorem here? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. You can write AC by PR, not necessary. Those lengths we are not in need. Okay. So, okay. Coming to the solution of this, AB is 6, then PQ is X, BC I need to, it is given 4 and this is 28, 4 ones are 4, 7s are 28. So, now this one will go here, 6 into 7 is equal to X, 42 meter is equal to X. So, what is X? It is height of tower. Therefore, height of tower is what? Height of tower is equal to X is equal to 42 meter. Here you can write sides are proportional. So that how did you got this, we will get to know. If two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in proportion. Like this you should be able to solve this one. I hope you are finding it. Thank you. Most of you are responding. Okay, so Tanya Kausar has messaged perpendicular, very good. So you are in line with me. Okay, so I'll just moving on to what the next set of question now. Okay, so next set of question is this question number 4. Yes, so let me know what can you how to solve this very important sum, and it has come in June 2019, or question it was along with the previous one. Okay, so sir, can you take this lecture every day at 5 p.m. please sir? See, 5 p.m. I will be having in line with other classes. Okay, I have offline classes to engage from 5 to 7:30, so you can expect me after 7:30. So from 7:30 to 9 I can take classes. Okay, so already it's night 9 o'clock now, so I'll just there are only 2 questions I'll be finishing. Then after that there are 3 theorems. Okay, you can just see here, sorry, 2 theorems, that is angle criteria theorem, AAA criteria theorem, and there is one more is basic proportionality theorem and Thales theorem. Okay, which has come previously. These theorems you can find directly in your school notes or in the books, in the textbook you can find. Finally, kindly solve this. One of the theorem will come for sure for 5 to 4 marks. Okay, so that one I hope you can do. I will be solving these 2 questions which have come subsequently in 2019 and 2024. Okay, so sir, please surface areas and volume, definitely trigonometry, surface areas and volume. So I am in line with those things now. Let me just finish off this so that it can help you for subsequent exams. Okay, see the diagonals BD of a parallelogram. They said that BD is a diagonal, and BD of a diagonalogram ABCD intersect AE at F. So it is intersecting what? AE at F as shown in the figure. If E is any point, E is anywhere, we don't know, then we should prove this one. Okay, this is given and this is to prove. Directly I will start with what? Solution. So what can you do is, this is one triangle and this is one triangle. Prove that those two are similar first. Okay, firstly prove that those two are what? Similar. How to prove that the both are similar? How can you solve this one? Just see here, in triangle ADF, in triangle ADF and triangle BEF. So what you do, in triangle in triangle ADF and triangle BEF. So what can you do is, angle F is equal to angle F. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. And you see this is what? Parallel line. That means angle B and angle D are what? Angle D is equal to angle B. Why? Alternate angles. And 2 conditions are sufficient to prove that those 2 triangles are what? Similar. Therefore, can I write triangle ADF is similar to triangle BEF. Why? Angle criteria. So because of angle criteria, both are similar. If they are similar, just try to write them separately. Okay, try to write them separately. What is similar with what? F is similar with F. F corresponding side of F is F. Corresponding angle of F is F. Sorry. Then D and B. Angle D and angle B are equal. That means D is equal to angle B. Corresponding angle of D is angle B in this case. Then similarly, you can find what? E and A are equal. So which triangle it is? A. ADF. Here A will come. Remaining here E will come. Now you know that corresponding sides are in which all sides we need? DF. So DF ka corresponding side DF by FB. Okay, equal to, we need what? EF. So we need EF, FA. So FA by FE. You got this? See here, left side, DF by FB. DF by FB is equal to FA by FE. So just send this here. What will come? DF into FE is equal to FB into FA. So this is, we have proved like this. I hope you got this. This is a 3-mark question. See here, just proving this will give you 1.5 marks. That means you should prove that these two triangles are what? These two triangles are similar. You should prove first that. Then coming to next, you should prove what? These two triangles are similar. Draw them separately. It will get you an idea that how to just use them and use the proportionality. You can use here, how did you got this? Sides are proportional. You can just write this statement, because anything you are writing in geometry, you should mention the statement. Okay, so content bhai is asking Kannada. Definitely I will try to speak in Kannada. So Kannadadalli I will just try to mention it. Okay, in Kannada also I will speak. Okay, now coming to the last question of my discussion, and with this I will finish my discussion. Then subsequently tomorrow I will come live and I will be dealing with other parts. Okay, then coming to the last question of my discussion. See, in the figure it is written by your just seniors who got failed twice. Okay, not only in main examination 1 it has come, not only in 2 it has come in main examination 3rd. Okay, so if you are finding it helpful, kindly like to the video, share and subscribe, so that I can get motivated to come up with more such initiatives. Okay, thank you for this. So Kannadadalli matadi, Shobha is asking me to speak in Kannada. Definitely na Kannadadalli matadtini. So in between what I will do is I will speak in Kannada. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನೈತಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ 5. In the figure ABCD is a parallelogram. ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ parallelogram. Point P, it divides AB in the ratio 2:3. That means AB has divided ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. And Q divides DC in ratio 4:1. Okay, ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 4 ಮತ್ತು 1 ಅನುಪಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Prove that OA equal to twice OC. So how will you do this? See here directly you can use what? 1, 2, 4, 3 has been given. Directly you can see these are the two triangles. Prove that these two triangles are what? ಎರಡು ಏನದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. So what can you do is you take this triangle. So in triangle AOP, this triangle AOP and COQ, and triangle COQ, this triangle, this and this angles are what? Equal. Can you just know? Already you know why these two are equal, because vertically opposite angles. And since it is what? Parallelogram, and this line are parallel, so you can see here this angle and this angle. That means angle C is equal to angle A. Why? Alternate interior angles. And two conditions are sufficient to prove that what? They are similar. Okay, they are similar. So you can teach us in your comfortable language. Try to understand, guys. Okay, see I will be teaching in multilingual languages, don't worry. So Kannada or English or Hindi I will be using frequently. So coming to this, see triangle AOP is similar to triangle COQ. Why? You can tell me, both are angles. It is angle criteria. And if you got to know that if these two triangles are what? They are similar, then you can write them, draw them separately. Okay, ಯಾಡನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ separately draw ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಯಾಡು triangles similar ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, sir, one more sum solve, sir. So na ಮಾಡಾತೀನಿ. Okay, I will be solving one more. So still this sum is not over. How to do this one? Now you proved that those are similar. Try to write them separately. So try to draw these two triangles separately. How will you draw? Yang draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು angle O ಮತ್ತು angle O equal ಅದಾವು. That means O ಮತ್ತು O corresponding, O and O. Then C and A. What will you write? C and A. C and A are what? Corresponding. Then remaining here is P and Q. So here COQ will come. Then AOP will come. Now try to write. We need OA and OC. So what will you write? OC by OA equal to, we know AP. AP is how much? 2. We know AP, it is 2, and QC is 1. So see, left side, OC by OA equal to, I can write what? Left CQ and AP I can write. Then OC by OA is equal to CQ is 1, AP is what? 2. Okay, actually it is in what ratio? You can write x here, x will get cancelled directly, also you can solve. Now what will you do is OA will come here, 2 will come here. So OA ones are OA, 2 into OC is 2 OC. So we proved that OA is equal to 2 times OC. Like this you should able to prove this. Okay. So if you are finding it helpful, again I request you to kindly like, share and subscribe and support so that I can come up with more such initiatives. Sir, आप हिंदी बोलो, then we good करके MTR boys 85 has message. See, I can speak in multiple languages, but English I frequently use while teaching, so I will use mostly English. Then Hindi and Kannada subsidiary I will be using. Okay, so Hindi may be baat karta, then Kannada also I can speak. So don't worry, it will take some time because it is just the beginning of my online classes. The more you interact, the more I can communicate to you all. Okay, so I hope you got this. So I'll just show you the 4 mark questions here. 4 or 5 mark you can expect only the theorems. According to present year syllabus, you will be having AAA theorem. It has come in September 20 and April 2023. Now onwards only the 2 questions will come. Previously there was areas theorem, then there was one more called Pythagoras, the frequently appeared theorems. Now they have been deleted this year. So state and proof, BPT and theos, both are same only, but you should get to know that when they use different words, you should catch the words and you should answer the right answer. Okay, right question only you should answer. Okay, so if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much those who are attending. Practice well, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you and all the very best for upcoming examination. Thank you and take care.